Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're trying to close a video game application, any sort of process on your computer, and you've tried launching the task manager, either you're doing Control Alt Delete or you're tapping the Alt and F4 key, and you're unable to actually close out of the program, and perhaps you're even tapping the Windows key on your keyboard and you're still having a problem, you're unable to close out of it. I'm going to show you guys how to resolve that issue. So let's just say, for example, Google Chrome is the application we're having a problem with. All you have to do, just tap the Windows key on your keyboard and then select the Task View button next to the Cortana search bar. So go ahead and just left click on that. And then you want to select plus new desktop and then just go ahead and launch a second desktop here. And now right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, and now you see the app that is no longer on this desktop but the other desktop. It will still show up in Task Manager here. Just go ahead and right click on that and select End Task. Again, you'll do that for whatever game or application you're having the problem with. And then if we were to actually go back and open up a different desktop, you can go back over to the other desktop now and the problem should be resolved. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.